If Discord is stuck on the update failed error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick step-by-step fix that usually gets it working again. This is a simple troubleshooting method you can follow on Windows, and it's perfect if Discord refuses to launch, keeps looping on update, or just won't finish installing the latest version. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, we need to fully close Discord. Sometimes the app looks closed, but it's still running in the background, and that can stop the update from finishing. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look for every Discord task you can find. If you see Discord, Discord Updater, or anything related to Discord, click it and choose End Task. Do this for all Discord processes so nothing is left running. Now that Discord is completely closed, the next step is to run it as an administrator. This gives Discord the permissions it needs to update properly. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, type Discord, then right-click on the Discord app in the search results. From the menu, click Run as Administrator. If a permission prompt appears, choose Yes. This small step can solve a lot of update problems because Discord may need elevated access to replace files or install updates. If Discord still isn't updating, the issue may be your internet connection. So next, let's check the connection side of things. Turn your Wi-Fi off and then back on again. If you're on a wired connection, unplug the cable for a few seconds and reconnect it. If that doesn't help, restart your router. A quick router restart can clear temporary connection issues that may be blocking Discord from reaching its update servers. Another very common cause is VPN or proxy software. If you have a VPN turned on, disable it completely and try Discord again. VPNs and proxies can interfere with the update process, especially if the connection is unstable or routed through another region. If you're using a proxy on your system, turn that off too. Discord updates often fail simply because the app cannot communicate properly with its servers. Once you've done all of that, the final step is to restart your PC. This helps clear any stuck background processes and gives Discord a fresh start after the reboot. After your computer turns back on, open Discord again and let it update. In many cases, the app will finish updating normally once it has a clean restart, proper permissions, and a stable connection. So to recap, fully close Discord, end every Discord task in Task Manager, run Discord as administrator, refresh your internet connection, turn off VPN or proxy, restart your router if needed, and then restart your PC before opening Discord again. That combination fixes the update failed error for a lot of users. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes and step-by-step guides. And if Discord is still giving you trouble, let me know in the comments and I'll help you with the next fix. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.